Hello, I'm Lena Sullivan, Adult Services Coordinator at Virginia Beach Public Library. This video is part of our Camp Evergreen series, which is about making cool things, earning badges, and discovering new skills. Today, I'm going to show you how to make cold brew tea. There's nothing quite like an ice-cold glass of tea in the heat of summer. In the past few years, I've taken to making iced tea with the cold brew method. You've probably heard of cold brew coffee, but steeping tea with this method also has benefits. First, you don't need to heat up your kitchen with boiling water. Second, and most important to me, cold brewed tea has a much smoother taste and lacks the bitterness that some hot brewed teas can acquire. It can also be an inexpensive drink option. In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to make cold brew tea. You can go out and purchase a cold brew tea infuser, but you most likely have everything you need in your kitchen already. First, you need a pitcher or other container that has an airtight seal. You can use either tea bags or loose leaf tea. The best varieties of tea to use are black, oolong, and herbal teas. White and green teas are a bit finicky with steeping times, so you could end up with bitter tea. You can also add other flavors to infuse your tea, like cut up fruit, cucumbers, or herbs. I have mint here, but spearmint is also a nice option for a milder flavor. Just remember that anything you add to the tea will affect how long you can safely store it in the fridge before drinking. If you prefer to drink your tea sweetened, I recommend purchasing or making your own simple syrup to mix in after steeping. You may find that you don't need any sugar with the milder taste of cold brew. Now that you have everything you need, making the tea is quite simple. First, add your tea bags or loose tea to the container. Over time, you'll likely figure out the exact proportions you like the most based on how strong you like your tea, but the general guidance is 1 bag per cup of water or half teaspoon of loose leaf tea per cup. As you can see, I like mine a little milder. Fill the pitcher or container with liquid, seal it, and put it in the refrigerator for 12 hours. Once the tea is done steeping, either take out the tea bags or strain loose leaf tea through a strainer or with a cheesecloth into another container. The tea will last in the refrigerator for 4 days. If you add other ingredients to the tea, make sure to adjust the safe storage time accordingly. Now you can serve and enjoy. I hope you've enjoyed learning to make cold brew tea. Tag us on social media and let us know how your tea turns out. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons for more content from VBPL to keep your mind evergreen. Thanks for watching.